Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting news straight from Google that hints at a big change in their Pixel release schedule. If you're a Pixel fan, or just someone who's thinking about upgrading your phone, soon, this one's for you. So here's the deal. Google usually releases its new Pixel phones in October, but that timing has always been a bit of a problem. Why? Because Apple launches its iPhones every September. And let's be honest, if someone's ready to spend money on a new phone, they're not going to wait an extra month for a Pixel when the latest iPhone is already out and available. To fix that issue, last year, Google moved things up and launched the Pixel 9 series in August. That gave them a head start over the iPhone 16 series. But this year, Google seems to be planning an even earlier release for the Pixel 10. How early? We're talking late June or early July. Here's where it gets really interesting. Some Pixel Superfans recently received a special invitation from Google. It's for a private event called the Pixel Penthouse, and it's happening in London on June 27th. This isn't just any event. It's Google's exclusive pre-launch party for the Pixel 10 series, and only 25 lucky Superfans will get to attend. Now, what's so special about this event? Well, those 25 fans will get hands-on time with the new Pixel 10 devices before anyone else. They'll be able to try out new features, talk directly with Google employees, also known as Googlers, and walk away with some cool Pixel-themed goodies. But getting into this event isn't as easy as just clicking RSVP. Google has asked superfans to answer a few questions first. These include, what's your favorite Pixel feature and why? What does being a Pixel superfan mean to you? What kind of offers or information do you look for when buying a Pixel? And finally, when you receive your new Pixel, is there anything Google could do to make that moment even more special? Anyone who wants to attend has to submit their answers, and the winners, those 25 lucky superfans, will be announced on June 11th. So if you're in the US and want a shot, there's a link where you can apply. Just make sure you're over 18, not working for Google or the government, and not part of the press. That last part rules out tech journalists, which is why many of them haven't ever made it into this event. So, why do we think this points to an earlier Pixel 10 launch? Simple. Google wouldn't hold a pre-launch event a whole 3 months early unless they were planning to release the phones shortly after. And there's more. Android 16 is expected to launch in early June. That lines up perfectly with a Pixel 10 release in late June or early July. Now let's talk a bit about the Pixel 10 itself. It's going to be powered by the brand new Tensor G5 chip. This chip is a big deal. It's the first Tensor processor that Google has designed entirely on its own. All the previous Tensor chips were based on Samsung's Exynos platform. But not this time. Instead, the Tensor G5 will be manufactured by TSMC, one of the top chip makers in the world. It will be built on their second-generation 3nm process, called N3E. That means the chip should be more power efficient and faster. And since Google designed it from the ground up, we can expect some exclusive features that weren't possible before. This could give Google a real edge in both performance and AI features, especially with how much importance is being placed on AI in smartphones these days. So don't be surprised if we see new smart camera features, better voice recognition, or even improvements to battery life thanks to that new chip. To wrap it up, all signs are pointing to an early launch for the Pixel 10 series, most likely in late June or early July. With a brand new Tensor G5 chip, a special pre-launch event for superfans, and Android 16 arriving soon, this could be Google's most exciting Pixel launch yet. So what do you think? Are you excited for the Pixel 10? Would you want to be one of the 25 superfans attending that exclusive event in London? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this update helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.